Table 250.66 requires a grounding electrode conductor, abbreviated GEC, to be sized based on the service amperage. For a 600 amp service, the minimum GEC size is 2/0 copper. 250.66 exception no. 3 allows the portion of the GEC that serves as the sole connection to the grounding electrode, usually a ground rod, to be smaller than the required GEC size, but not less than 6 American wire gauge copper. The GEC serves two main functions: firstly, carrying fault current, and secondly, providing a low resistance path to ground. In the event of a fault, the GEC carries the fault current from the service panel to the grounding electrode, which dissipates the current into the earth. The GEC ensures a low resistance connection between the electrical system and the earth. This allows fault currents to flow safely and limits the voltage rise in the system. The portion of the GEC that connects to the grounding electrode is not typically carrying fault current. Therefore, it does not need to be as large as the rest of the GEC that carries fault currents. However, it must still be large enough to provide a low resistance path to ground. Hence, the exception in 250.66 allows the portion of the GEC connecting to the grounding electrode to be smaller than the required GEC size, but not less than 6 American wire gauge copper. This ensures that it can still effectively provide a low resistance path to ground. For a 600 amp service with two each 500 mcm aluminum conductors, the required GEC size is 2/0 copper. However, the portion of the GEC connecting to the grounding electrode can be smaller, such as 6 American wire gauge copper.